Don't you like to sleep with him outside the door? Somebody's answering him in there.
More like trying to sleep instead of sleeping.
We're gonna watch this tonight, come on.
Well,
There's a bigger one back there, but I don't know if you can see him from where you are.
But we didn't get something from the gift shop.
Probably the mom.
Where's Joey? Any small ones in there?
That is a Joey.
Oh, Mom.
Yeah, I know they do nuggets too.
What's this? This is a wallaby here. Just watch me wallabies peeds, mate. Watch my wallaby peeds. They live somewhere out on the track, Mac. Let me wallabies peeds.
Look at the kangaroo back there sitting on its tail, Steve. She was rocked back sitting up on her tail. Now she isn't. She's...
Well, where's the...
This is a mom and a Joey.
Where's Tiger's at?
Look on your map. You
Well,
follow
we're
that
at the-
same road.
Not even.
Oh yeah,
No,
that way, Stevie.
not even, no.
Yeah, Stevie. It goes right
No, it's
out.
not.
Just stop. How about the birdie?
Here they came through the rainforest, the Australian rainforest.
She's having fun getting wet too. Where's headed? Oh,
He's back here getting in the picture.
He can come back.
I haven't got any quarters, Gustav.
Dad, give me one.
He hasn't got any, babe. What? All he's doing is looking at the elephants.
Daddy, I'm gonna hold you every time I smack your arm.
Look at this one. Look him down here, Jamie.
Well, look at that one taking a piss. It's like turning on that fire hose, isn't it? Wow.
Gallons, man. Might be gallons, man.
Gallons out of here.
What are they doing? Banging on the door over there or what? Oh.
Every time I turn around lately, you've got a camera in my face.
Huh?
Always every time I turn around lately, you got a camera in my face.
Got a pretty good face.
Oh.
Face mother could love. Hmm?
Doesn't say much for my husband, does it?
Hey, keep walking.
Oh, about pulled me off of here. Get up here. I got you. I got you. Don't worry.
Kids in the mountain.
Yeah. Where's Daddy? I got you. Don't worry.
Where's Dad?
Where's Daddy? Give it a finger.
No.
No.
Yeah.
No. You knock it off too.
It's up there or something.
So, yeah, elephants up there. But they didn't get at this when it counts.
They were big. What you got? Let's step on them. Push them.
to the left with Jean on top. Nita to the right with Pat on top. All to imagine you're in the jungles of India. And we're taking some logs to the processing mill. And this is one of the ways we get them down a small jungle trail. If we wanted to get these logs onto a processing mill table, what we would do is attach a rope to the center and the elephant would grasp with their trunk and teeth. It does go to prove they have very strong jaw muscles because those logs weigh 300 pounds apiece.
Yeah.
Once again, Carol to the left and Nita to the right. Now the trainers riding our elephants today in India are called mahouts. Now a mahout is going to meet their elephant when they're both in their teens and they're going to spend a good portion of their lives working and playing together. Now throughout this show, I would like you to notice each individual elephant's personality, the way they pick things up or the way they put things down, such as you'll notice Carol to the left here, when she puts that log down, you notice she has a unique way of putting it down. Trunk, 40,000. It's pretty amazing when you think about it because the human body has just over 360. What we're going to do is we're going to send these logs to India. To do that, we have to put them in the crate. You notice Nita to the right, she drops hers. Carol to the left, she slams hers down. One more. Good girl, Carol. Now, if we had a log that was too big to drag by rope, what we would do is kick it or push it any way we could to get it to our destination. We're going to demonstrate that right now. This log to the right of the theater. Now, how a mahout steers their elephant is very simple. They use their feet and push on the elephant's ears. Push on the right ear, the elephant goes left. Push on the left ear, the elephant goes right. To go straight forward, push on both ears. And to back up, simply tap on the shoulders and give the verbal command, back up. Now here's why that elephant needs 40,000 muscles and tendons alone in his trunk. That log weighs 900 pounds. And all she's using is her trunk. All right. Now she's probably going to start that log off by kicking it with her foot just to get it going. And she's going to move up and down the log, one end or the other, to get it to go to the right or to the left. Perfect. Let's hear it for Nita, our Asian elephant. And now let's get our 4 victims. I mean, volunteers right over here. That's 4. Wave goodbye to your family. No, just follow me right this way. And no. Actually, you are going to be the mahouts, the parents. The kids are going to be the elephants. You mahouts are going to take an apple. You're going to hand it to your elephant. You elephants are going to run with this apple between these pins, just like this, zigzagging all the way. You're going to come down here. You're going to hand your apple to the elephant. Put it right in the tip of the trunk, okay? Run back as quick as you can. Get another apple, run all the way back down. You've got 4 apples, so you got to get them all the way down there. The first one back with no apples wins. 2 things to remember. 1, if the apple drops on the ground, don't worry about picking it up because the elephant will get it. Also, let go of the apple. You're going to get tossed right over the mahout's shoulder. Okay? No, I'm just kidding. Don't look so serious there, guy. All right. We're going to start this. 2, 6. Very good. Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Run! You can do it great! Step all the way down! Run! Run! Just put it right in the tip of the trunk. Go, 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 go! Run! Go! Perfect! Run! Run! There you go. Now this is our last apple. Run! Reigning champion for the last 2 weeks, weighing in at a slim 9,000 pounds. Let's hear it for Nita! And we had the reigning loser for the last 2 weeks, Carol. Now look at the expression on Carol's face. She's excited, I'll tell you. Actually, what she needs from you folks is a lot of motivation. She'll run a little bit quicker. She's been practicing in between the shows. So what we want you to do is scream out Carol's name, get her motivated, she'll run just a little quicker. We're going to start this off on the count of 3. Watch closely because this is a blur. 1, 2, 3, go Carol! Move it! Let's go Carol! good. That was close. Real close. That looked like it was going to be a tie. Let's see our far. Fantastic. Tell you when to go. Don't go until I tell you. Because we're going to bring out Carol. She's our apple eating champion, and she's awfully hungry. Here she comes. All right. Get your fingernails. On your mark. Get set. Go, go, go. Come on. You kids can do it great. Carol does not stand a chance. Go. Go, go. Go. It's the time between these two. Good job. Now, the relationship between the mahout and the elephant is a very special bond. One, because the animal is so large, there's a lot of trust involved, and the animal obviously can hurt the trainer if he wants, so it's a lot of trust. We're going to demonstrate a couple things for you right now. One, elephants can't see where they're placing their feet. Basically, elephants go by sense of touch and sense of smell, so the elephant's not going to see where its foot is landing. Also, elephants have been known to weigh as much as 10,000 pounds full grown.
What do you want to do?
Wait a minute, wait a minute. I knew I had said that too early.
Folks, how many of you think we ought to have him do this?
I was waiting for it. I was waiting. All right, now you folks are in for a thrill. You'll never see this anywhere else because their trainers are smarter than these guys. No. All right. 10,000 pounds. And she just had her lunch. 11.5. Let's hear it for Nina and now I'm going to recite to you a passage from the Elephant Bible. No. Actually, Nita's going to jump on up, and you're all going to get to feed the elephants, because our hostess, which we don't have anyways now that I think about it, passed out.
Oh, will you get up?
I think Nita has a crush on him. Ooh, guys, this is something. Should I some help? Yeah, yeah, all right. Actually, if he tickles her on the side, she is going to spring right up. They have very sensitive skin. Spring. Oh, you don't want her to spring. Okay. Now remember, she can't see where she's placing her feet. There's the trust. And there's the This is our oldest elephant here at the park. She's 40 years old. She's been doing this for a long time. She knows how to get every bit of applause from the audience. And now let's make some noise for our brave volunteers as well as our brave support crew. From all of us here at the Elephant Show, we'd like to thank Marie, our guest. Now all you have to do is head to your right to get some elephant food to feed the elephant. We'll be over there in just a second. The food might take a minute or so to get out there, but somebody will be over there in just a minute to hand out food. Have a nice day and enjoy yourselves in the park.